Hey yo, this is your boy Kutsula FX, and we back with another video, guys. Back with another video. Remember the last analysis we had in NASDAQ? We had anticipated selling opportunities from a proper head and shoulder pattern, of which we did get a head and shoulder pattern. It's just that we got a way different one than the one we expected, of which we still managed to capitalize on the sales. So I'm just gonna do a quick one for this coming week so that we can see as to what we can expect from Nas100 this coming week. So now from this overall bullish trend that we have over here, you can see that we have this, then you can just clone it. You can just clone it to that level. And now from this we can already see that we are still in a bullish trend. We can only confirm more selling opportunities if we do break here or retest, and we may be selling all the way to the downside. But for now, we're still in this bullish channel, right? So now let's dive into our weekly time frame to see proper if our trend line is still okay. So now we can just adjust that to there proper, and you can also adjust this one to this high. So now we see that we literally had this push to that level, and now we came back to this level. So now if we do fail to break this area right over here, we could see some bullish momentum from Nas100, probably until next year or 2024. So now from that, we're just gonna come to this time frame. So now from this, I just wanna adjust this trend line to this low. You can just clone it again. You can then please get a proper zone from this level. So now from this level, we see that NASDAQ is literally approaching this strong supporting area over here, of which you could be anticipating buying opportunities from here, as we will be getting a second leg of this W formation before any pushes to the feather. So now from that, we saw that we had this beautiful 1 2 3 touches over there, and also we have this beautiful diagonal supporting trend line. So now from that, we see that already we have some sort of a proper descending channel. So this right is going to be our first entry, and if we do push out, come back to retest this area, it's going to be our second entry, and then we look for further buying opportunities. But obviously for now, we're just going to focus on what might happen this current week. Remember, we were anticipating a pullback from this area, to get that second shoulder of the head and shoulder pattern, but instead we literally got this head and shoulder pattern, and we literally broke down, and we've been selling ever since, of which at some point we didn't get a proper retest on the neckline, of which is still okay. So now from this, we had this upward trend. You can also cater for this. So now this was our bullish momentum, and we broke. So now from this, you see that we're still gonna look for further selling opportunities, not unless we get more pushes to the upside to probably retest this high over here, as this could be some sort of a supply that has not been tested, right? We could get a push and a drop from that area, or we could further see some sort of a retest from this area, something like this, of which you might get a push back up correctively. So obviously gonna look for a pattern, and then obviously break to this level. So these are the sales that I'm anticipating for this week. Not to say the market is gonna move like this, but I'm anticipating sales from this area to this area from Nas100. And then if it decides to break above, we might get a retest with a proper correction and get further pushes to the upside. But for now, since we're still in a bearish momentum, as you can see that we created a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Obviously, if we do fail to break this previous high, we will be creating another lower low at this area before any further pushes to the upside. So I'm just gonna keep it short. This is all that we have on Nas100 for this coming week. Just gonna have to see how the market literally plays out so that we can react. For